Welcome back to Pooja's recipes. Today I'm going to make a very tasty sabji with potatoes and tindas. You know, these are called tindas. These are very quite popular sabji in Indian vegetables. It's also available in like all normal Indian grocery stores. I have taken 5 to 7 tindas. I've taken like they are all different sizes, and I've put a slit on them. On 4 sides, a small slit, not a deep slit. And also I've taken 4 to 5 potatoes and also put a slit there on 4 sides. And these are 2 tomatoes, 1 piece of ginger, 2 green chilies, 5 to 7 cloves of garlic. This is coriander leaves. I've taken 1 handful, and same as mint. This is going to be in the pudina, mint and coriander gravy. This is going to be very, very yummy. And these are 4 spices: salt, haldi, red chili powder and coriander powder, and oil. There's just few ingredients, but sabji is going to be really very fantastic. We have to grind these masalas. We have to grind into a like finely coarse paste. I'm just going to add green chilies, ginger, cloves and coriander and mint, and grind it to a paste. I've added these masalas in this grinder. I'm now going to grind it into a paste. See, this paste is ready with mint and coriander, green chilies and garlic. This smells very nice. You know, mint is very refreshing, and all these spices together is going to make it a very nice sabji. Next time I've started the flame, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat. Then next we are going to add this masala. This oil is hot now. I'm going to add this masala paste. See, I have to, now this masala I have added to this oil. Now I'm going to around 2 to 3 minutes. I'm just going to cook it on medium slow flame. Just let it cook. Then we are going to add our next ingredient. Next I'm going to add these potatoes and tindas to this paste and mix it well. Just cook them for the next 2 to 3 minutes in this masala. See, I have cooked these for 2 to 3 minutes, these tindas and alus. The one which are small, I have left them whole. See, these are small potatoes. And the bigger size one, I have cut them into halves. You can choose like according to your choice. Now next I have grinded these 2 tomatoes which I showed you before. Now I'm just going to add these tomatoes. This gravy is going to be very wonderful. The green looks perfect with red. Make the flame little higher, and then just mix well, and we have to cook this again. Now I'm going to add all these dry spices and then roast it more. I'm going to add this haldi, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon. You can add according to your taste. Coriander powder 2 teaspoons, salt around 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. Then we have to roast this masala and vegetables together on high flame for few minutes, so that masala and gets inside the vegetables nicely. See, I've roasted this vegetables in this masala. It's looking greenish also, very nice, and fragrance is amazing. You know, this mint is very, very refreshing. This has been like cooked now. See, this oil is being like releasing. Now I'm going to add water and just cover the flame, cover the lid, and then cook it for 5 to 6 minutes until it gets tender. I'm going to add this water. I've taken the water in this blending jar. I'm going to add water. For 2 minutes, just keep the flame high until the first boil comes, and then cover the lid and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes until the vegetables are cooked properly. See, the sabji has come to the boil now. It's boiling. I'm going to simmer the flame and just cover it and I'll keep checking in between around it. It's going to take around 5 to 7 minutes to cook properly. Yeah, it's been 5-6 minutes now. Let's check on the sabji. Wow, have a look how it looks. This oil has been released, the masala has been cooked, vegetables are also cooked properly. This is the consistency we wanted. It should be like medium consistency, not very watery and not very thick. I'll show you. These are cooked. All these tindas and alus are cooked properly. So it's ready to serve. It's really mouth-watering, and it just takes around 15 to 20 minutes to make this sabji. You're going to enjoy the sabji a lot. See, I've served this sabji. It looks amazing and it tastes amazing. I really can't wait to eat this. You can enjoy this with roti, naan, anything. And do try this recipe and please comment. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.